Hello internet world, welcome to my overview of the VANTRUE Nexus series N4S dash cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam that's packed full of features. It was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular, simply sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now what you're seeing here is everything that you get included with the bundle kit. If you're buying just the dash camera yourself, it might not include some of these accessories, but if you buy the bundle kit that includes the hardwire kit for dash cam, the circular polarizer, and also the memory card, you're going to get everything you see here. Take a quick look at the box. Main features are 3-channel, so this records out the front of the vehicle, inside the vehicle, and out the rear of the vehicle as well. It offers up 1944p HDR. It's also got plate picks, Starvis 2 and LTE technology built in. If we take a look round the back of the box here, you can see some of the main features. So we've got 1944p on the front camera, 1440p in the cabin and on the rear camera at 30 frames per second. Starvis 2 sensor. This plate picks is enhanced license plate capturing mode. We've also got a 2-inch IPS screen, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi. We've got an app as well. We've also got a GPS logger, 4 parking mode options, buffered motion detection, quick start collision detection, adjustable parking monitor zone. We've got a super capacitor, not sure what that means. Also extreme temperature protection, the optional CPL filter, which is here, and also optional LTE connectivity. And that is absolutely feature packed, really great features. So let's just run through what you get inside the box. And let's start with maybe some of the optional extras. So these might or might not be included if you just buy the camera only. So we've got 128GB micro SD card, VANTRUE brand. This is going to allow you to capture footage obviously from the camera. The camera works on like a loop recording, so it will record footage to the micro SD card. When the memory card is full up, it will start overwriting unprotected files. We've also got this circular polarizer filter that goes on the front lens. This is going to give you less reflection and more contrasty video footage as well. So this is well worth picking up as an optional extra. And then we've also got the hardwire kit. This is going to allow you to hardwire, as the name suggests, this into your vehicle. If you're unfamiliar with vehicle electronics and installing something like this, I'd highly recommend getting a professional to do the installation. Now, onto the main box. This is what you're going to get inside. You're going to get a little polishing cloth. You're going to get these for your windscreen or dashboard. They're little like sticky sheets that just allows things to stick a little bit better. We're going to get some stickers. We're going to get some information about the company. We're going to get your main user guide. It's going to get you up and running nice and quickly. And then we're also going to get this. This is sort of on top of the box when you open it. It's little links, QR codes to the apps on the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store, and also how to activate your warranty and how to do a basic sort of wiring of the camera. Then we get 2 accessory boxes. So we do this one first. This has got the main mount for the front camera. So this is going to allow you to mount that first camera. We've also got the main sort of power. This is going to go into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. Then this cable will run round into the camera or the mount. And then we've got some sticky mounts. So a couple of sticky mounts there, and an additional one for, I believe that's for like the rear camera. So that's all of your sort of mounting options there. Let's move that to one side. Then we've got this box here. This has got some additional cables, so it's an additional power cable. We've also got these cable tidies, and these again are sticky. So they've got self-adhesive pads on them. Allows you to get a really neat installation on this rear camera cable. Then we have got an installation tool. This can be used for either prying off the sticky pads or indeed poking the wire behind headlining and underneath carpets, for example. And this cable here is going to go from the main camera all the way through your vehicle into the rear camera. So that's really good. Very, very long cable. Really easy to put that into position and have a nice, neat installation. And then we've got the two cameras. So I'll show you the rear one first. Very, very simple. They come with these protective films on the lenses just to keep them nice and protected during transit. Sticky pad to stick this into your rear windscreen. Power cable socket just here. And then it also rotates. So once this is in your rear windscreen, you can rotate the angle. Very, very lightweight, really easy to install, and obviously run that cable from the main camera to the rear one. And then we've got the main camera. So this is where your screen is. If I just peel this off, you can see the screen underneath. This is just in place to keep the screen scratch free whilst in transit. We've got some information here about the various buttons. So this main action button here is for turning the camera on and off, and also for protecting recordings. And then we've got some extra button controls just here for controlling the menu system, microphone, Wi-Fi, etc. And then we've also got the in-cabin camera. So this is going to be facing inwards and record what's going on inside the vehicle. And then if we take a look around here, this is where that main mount is going to go. And then this is the actual front-facing camera lens. This is going to be what's facing out the front of the vehicle. Then on the side, we've got the USB-C socket and also the micro SD card memory socket. Really very, very well made unit. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, so it's important that you install this mount really well, get a nice sort of clean windscreen, stick it down into position so that it mounts properly. And then once it's in place, the use of this is very, very easy indeed. The app is superbly designed. What's important is the quality of the video footage, and the video footage on here is excellent. Really good quality. Color rendition is very, very good. Number plate details really good at a distance and in low light. It does a fantastic job of capturing excellent quality video footage. Why would you want a dash camera? Well, if you're unfortunately involved in a road traffic accident or witness to something happening outside your vehicle, then you have got some video footage that could be used as evidence. And also, some insurance companies give you a discount off your premium if you're using the dash camera. It's a really good unit. I think VANTRUE have done a fantastic job on this, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up VANTRUE Nexus N4S for yourself, please do check out the links in the video description. Please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.